The toppest reviews the best cordless upright vacuums for under $500 on Amazon.com. Number 1. Hoover ONEPWR Evolve Pet Cordless Small Upright Vacuum Cleaner, BH53420 piece. This cordless vacuum is lightweight, easy to use and can handle both carpets and hardwood floors. If you want to avoid the mess of a big corded vacuum, the ONEPWR Evolve Pet is a really good choice. It's always ready for heavy cleaning with quick and powerful suction wherever dirt or pet hair may hide. It's a versatile cleaner that works just as well on hardwood floors as it does on carpets and rugs. The washable microfiber filter traps dirt, dust and pet hair before they can escape into your home. It has an extra large capacity dust cup that's easy to empty, so you don't have to stop mid-clean every time it gets full.